Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This video has nothing to do with technology, at least not cell phones. I wanted to let you guys know that, I get a lot of subscribers every month, maybe 1,500 to 2,500 a month, somewhere around those numbers. And I want to throw a video up on this channel about my other channel. Now, some of you guys already know about my other channel. I actually run a channel for cars. I really enjoy cars, and I've done some good modifications to the cars that I have over there, one in particular. So the cars that you'll see on my car channel is my 2019 Chrysler 300S, and then my 2019 Dodge Charger 392. So the Charger is kind of the main car for the channel that I've decided to switch over and do modifications and showcase that one more. But I do showcase the other cars, and those are just two of the cars that I have that I like to showcase. I don't want to show too much, but people start to think you got money now. But the channel is almost, it's just like this, I give you information. I talk about new tires, new wheels, new upgrades that I've done, custom this, custom that, car shows, and things like that. So I'm headed to a car show. Recording this video, I have a car show tomorrow that I'm going to be going to, driving out of town too. So I'll take the Charger to that. But let's just give you a sneak peek at what I'm talking about. All right, so now you can see that's what I like. The channel is Mopar Family Man. So that means that it's predominantly Mopar, but I do discuss other vehicles. I'll leave a link down below, so you can just click that link, subscribe if you want to, or just give a visit every day, because I put out videos pretty much once or twice a week over there. Not as much content as I'm pushing out here, videos every day almost on this channel. But on that channel, there's vlogs, there's discussion videos as well. There's me showcasing the cars. I think you'll really enjoy this. If you like cars, even if you think you don't like cars, just go check it out. I think my cars will get you a little interested. But yes, I love Mopar, so that channel had to be called Mopar Family Man. So over there, you never know what's coming next. So it's your man Jay. For all my new subscribers here and my current people who have followed me for years, if you still haven't subbed yet, or you didn't know I even had that channel, head on over there. I used to post car videos here, but I stopped doing that at your request. Some of you guys back then last year said, Jay, can you separate your tech channel and just make a car video, because I really want to see more car videos from you. And I said, okay, because I didn't want to put up too many car videos here because this is my tech channel. So hopefully you guys enjoy what you see over there. And I'll show you, the transformation of these cars, man. Depending on where you're starting at. Like if you go over there now, you can start at the latest video, but I suggest you go back about 3 months. Remember, there's not as much content over there, and you'll be able to catch up within a full day. Within a couple of hours, you'll be able to catch up, because videos are shorter over there, maybe 5 to 10 minutes sometimes, and you'll enjoy yourself. So hopefully you head over there and sub on my new channel. I shouldn't say new, because I've had it for almost a year or more now. So, but I wanted to let you guys know, since I get so many new subscribers here, you got to know about my car channel. Mopar Family Man. Hit the link in the description. Take care.